In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Gantt chart in Monday.com if you're managing a project and want to visualize your schedule clearly and effectively. Creating a Gantt chart is an incredibly helpful tool. It allows you to map out tasks over time, see who is responsible for each part, and track the progress of your project with ease. Let's dive into how you can set one up in Monday.com. To begin with, you need to set up your project board. You can either open an existing board that you might be using, like a project plan or marketing campaign, or create a new one to suit your project. Once you have your board, it's time to add the tasks or items. Group these tasks under headings that reflect their status, such as planning, in progress, or completed. This organization provides a clear view of your project's phases. Next, it's crucial to add the right columns to your board. The basic column you'll need is the task name, which comes by default. Then, include a date or timeline column to specify the start and end dates of each task. This timeline is the backbone of your Gantt chart. If your tasks rely on each other, consider adding a dependencies column. This feature is optional but very beneficial if the tasks are interrelated. Additionally, incorporate an owner column, often referred to as the people column, to assign responsibilities to relevant team members. Finally, add a status column to track the progress of each task. This will help you visualize which tasks are pending, in progress, or completed. Now that your board is set up, it's time to add the Gantt view. Look towards the top of your board interface and click on +Add View. From the drop-down menu, select Gantt View. You'll then be prompted to choose the timeline or date column for scheduling. And if you want your tasks to automatically adjust if there are any changes, consider enabling dependencies during this setup. Once your Gantt view is created, you can customize it to make it even more informative. You can expand or collapse groups to have a detailed or summary view of the project phases. Color coding can be a powerful way to visually organize tasks by their status, owner, or priority. If you need to adjust task dates, you can easily drag and drop tasks directly on the chart. Also, zooming in or out will allow you to focus on specific time frames, whether that's days, weeks, or months, depending on the level of detail you need to see. Finally, sharing and collaboration are essential processes. You can export your Gantt chart as an image or PDF for reporting purposes. Sharing the view with stakeholders can also be done effortlessly using a simple link or by granting guest access. Furthermore, integrating your Gantt chart into a dashboard alongside other widgets like workload, progress, or budget will provide a comprehensive overview of your project. With these steps, you'll be well equipped to create and use a Gantt chart in Monday.com, ensuring that your project management is both efficient and effective.